I've got a GoPro on. Hey, are you going to
Make sure you get the lane beside me.
take your mark.
Say hello to the camera. Yeah, that's great.
Well, I was not trying.
Who came third?
Me.
What's your name, darling?
Tyler Flynn.
Have a go at your event for your first presentation. You can come down to the gate here in the front of the building,
Forgan.
and I can direct you where to go.
Jody sits there.
That's lane 8, is it?
Lane 9.
Lane 9, sorry, yeah. 12, 10.
12 10 is
Who came
crazy.
fourth? Yeah, but who's sixth?
Wait, running an 11.7 is crazy. In,
Did you run 11.7?
Now?
no, you did.
Oh, I did.
In normal shoes. Wait.
Oh, my dad's shoes, bro.
Good shit. We should have started running earlier.
Next one.
Your name 5? 59 seconds. So if you let Miss Jones know, flat 59.
Wait, go first or first?
Yeah, you first. Oh, you have to touch the black. Hello, GoPro.
Touch it. Touch it.
Why?
Touch it. There you go.
Got the black.
Easy. I'm ready to go further.
To not embarrass myself.
How are you so good at all of these, bro?
Don't know, I haven't done them in like 3 years. Who's next? Call out the name. Call out the name. Me, Tyler. Fucking Oren, mate. Oren's not here.
Go, GoPro.
I can go further. Like they know.
Let's try ours. We got this.
What are you doing here?
Saying hi to your GoPro.
Uh-huh.
Are we actually even on?
I don't know.
Yeah. Let's see how we go off this first round.
Oh. You're running, bro. Slow it down.
Right, let's go. Next one I get water.
Get the inside, it's less distance. I thought we were all supposed to be together. Sixteens.
Good work, lad. I was gonna try and pull the same shit I did with.
Hey, you remember my name?
Behind first the entire time and upper lap at the end. I didn't try and. But when I saw you.
Hey, I get a ribbon this time. That's pretty nice.
Take them on. Set.
Oh, that's not bad. Hey, let's save it.
Heading down.
Bro, he's got an advantage. He's got the go.
No. Doesn't matter, I'm going to be so far ahead.
Wait, Jesse's cooking. You're like an idiot.
Right, this is actually hilarious.
Run, boys! Go, Mason! Go, Gibson!
Come on, Cooper, come on.
Go, Barber.
One on two! One on two! Run! Come on!
Yes! Come on! What the fuck? Ah!
Go grab him.
Yes, boy!
I shit myself.
Wait, off that first curve, I'm like, ah, shit, we're like last. And then Cooper brings up to like, dude, we're like third, fourth. You bring us at the first. Wait, what was that gap at the end?
Like 30 meters.
Yeah, big gap.
Let's go, boys.
Right.
Yes, boy. We beat 18-year-olds, bro. You know how crazy that is? Holy shit!
Thanks, miss.
And I got that on camera.
Go Hayden, go Hayden. Go Cooper, go! Go Hunter. Oh my gosh, Hunter, he's first. That's Hunter. Go Hunter. Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh my gosh!